It was equally important for the Afghan authorities to interact, and they had a number of bilaterals, I'm told, while I was chairing the session. And in those bilaterals, I am sure they were sensitized to the expectations of the international community. I hope, and it was my desire, that this conference, this extraordinary session, will play the role of evolving a better understanding and bridge the trust deficit. It'll take time, but I think at least the ball has started rolling. 2 documents have been adopted, and adopted unanimously. One is the joint resolution on Afghanistan humanitarian situation, and the other is the Islamabad declaration on the Palestinian situation. The entire conference expressed, in my view, unity and expressed support for the people of Afghanistan. There was talk about how to devise a mechanism for disbursement. First, raise resources to help people, and when you do, how do we disperse that? There has to be an institutional mechanism developed and adopted.